Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to allow or not allowed to user can edit any field in Ultimate Member form in WordPress. So we are using Ultimate Member plugin. So we are in Ultimate Member form section. So we have registration form, profile form and login form. So we are going to allow or not allow to any user can edit any field. So this is our profile, and then you see last name. So this is our field, and then you see edit. So click on it. Now pop-up open, and then you see can user edit this field. So first uncheck this value and then click on update. Now field update done, and then click on form update. Now you see form updated. Go to profile page and refresh the page. So we disable option for last name field, and then you see setting icon. So click on it, and then you see edit profile. So again click on it. So now user cannot edit last name field because in form we disable this option, uncheck this value. So if you want, you can allow user to edit field. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.